Hey, Dan Keith here at Voyager RV. I just want to do the top 5 features of the 2020 Jayco J-Flight Bungalow. Feature 1, Jayco has one of the best warranties in the industry, 2-year bumper to hitch. And on top of that, they've added the 3rd-year structural warranty. Feature 2 is Jayco's exclusive Magnum Truss roof system. It's a fully walkable roof and it's exclusive to Jayco, and it's been designed and engineered to hold up to 4,500 pounds. So feature 3 is the residential creature comforts of the bungalow. Have the stainless steel residential refrigerator, 30-inch microwave, a residential style gas range, solid surface countertops. You just see the space, the size, everything is laid out just for your comfort and living full time. So feature 4 is the extended living floor plans. In the bungalow, they have the wide 102-inch wide body design, 96-inch ceiling heights, you have 82-inch slide out heights, and the doorways are 84 inches high. Gives you that wide open space that makes you feel right at home. So feature 5 we have is a new modern farmhouse interior on the 2020 bungalow. They've done this light, nice hand-rubbed finish on the cabinets, which gives this great contrast between light and dark, brightens up the kitchen, brightens up the space. And with the light counters, you've got the island with the accent lighting around underneath, and they've even carried that through to other parts of the unit as well. Just absolutely amazing, gives you that modern, fresh feel. So that wraps up the top 5 features of the 2020 Jayco J-Flight Bungalow. So if you want to check out these great features, come on down. We have these units in stock right now. We're located on Highway 97 in Winfield. Or if you also want to cruise through our inventory, we have everything listed right now on our website at voyagerrv.ca.